Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can only concatenate tuple, not list, to tuple. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a list to a tuple using the plus operator. In Python, tuples and lists are two different types of objects and cannot be concatenated together directly. For example, consider the following code. When you run this type of example code, you will get this error. This will result in a type error because tuple1 is a tuple and list1 is a list, and the plus operator cannot concatenate them directly. To fix this error, you need to convert the list to a tuple before concatenating it with the other tuple. You can do this using the tuple function, which converts a list to a tuple. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this case, tuple list1 converts the list list1 to a tuple, which can then be concatenated with tuple1 using the plus operator. The resulting tuple2 will contain all the elements from both tuple1 and list1. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.